Oh.
Here comes Dennis. I hope so. Bring on Dennis.
Well, it's nice sometimes to get an idea of what it looks like. You know, pictures don't capture it.
Shark! Jesus Christ!
Right. Quick, through the green!
Shark!
It's just a wee fish.
No.
Come on, Chris!
Go on!
Is that a quick, there's a shark coming? Oh, Zanny, you just won the race. You beat Mike. Oh, look, he's still coming.
It's hard because your feet are wet.
And you're right near the anchor as well. He did it!
Very well.
We had the Swedish girl do ours. Look how good she did, eh?
Perfect. Well done.
Oh, how could you beat? Can't beat the Swede.
Hi. Welcome.
Quick video camera. That was your first stern parking.
So nervous.
Was that a little bit of pressure? Do you feel that?
She did awesome.
You did absolutely awesome. That was really, really good.
Put my confidence up a little bit, you know.
Not bad, did it? Because it's very difficult, because where the throttle is, where you can see, you can't kind of hold the wheel. You can't get the wheel in, because when the throttle's up at height, waist height, you can kind of throttle backwards and that, but that was tough. So, Captain Johansson. September the 12th, 2011, and we're in Croatia. It's Sunday night.
Little Swede's got her bed mate. She'll be happy about that. She'll be real happy about that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Day 2. And we're doing 25 miles. Not much wind. Where are we going?
We're going to
Marina.
The island,
Very nice.
Oh, it's recording. It's recording, sorry. So we're going to have to do a video instead. So, Xana, what do you think? Oh, yeah. So we've got the Swedish flag and we've got Royal Parrots playing.
And an Englishman on the helm.
Oh,
What do you want?
perfect. The bikini's fallen off.
Wait, is that your bikini? It's a mermaid!
Soft.
I really can't. I've thought about it too much. I'll do it like.
I thought about it too much.
Chris, did you bring the fender?
You got a fender in your pocket.
She wants to go fender surfing again.
Oh, with that one.
Fender surfing with the...
Chris, where's your fender?
Where are we?
We are in Milna on, is it Borak Island?
Black
Island?
Island.
And that's sort of, I guess, middle Croatia.
Yeah, it is actually.
And it's arrived.
Any? What about your parking today? Sorry, you're having to do all the stern parking.
You know what?
That was a tough park.
Today wasn't as good as yesterday because I started braking a bit too early and then the prop walk kicked me over a bit too much to the right,
Yeah.
and then Pete and Dennis had to help us sort of straighten it back up again.
But everyone-
we made it in the end.
Yeah.
Beautiful day, no wind though, very smooth, flat sailing, and high jumps off the boat, 2 anchorages, swims. You know, we also tried to moor our boats together, which wasn't very.
They didn't actually tell us they were doing that, did they? They just came in anchor first at us.
Yeah, our boat.
Straight from the vat.
Fresh from the. So Mike, what are we getting here?
We're getting like a dessert wine in this little winemaking place in the marina village of
Milna.
in Croatia. No. So, what happened last night, T?
Lots of stuff actually. We went for a watch party and then we went to the Milner town to a cocktail bar.
Yeah, yeah. Is that a engine? That's our yacht. Slow down. There we go. How do we slow down? Take the foot off the throttle would be good.
Oh, Mike, can you do it?
Right. Go slowly. Adjust it. Hello.
Probably can't hear me on this video.
Morning profile on the helm. It's Captain Tennille. Morning, girls.
Good morning. Look at my face, it's actually not. It's calm down, it's proud now. She's trying to do that. Okay, so go now.
Hello.
Lagoon. Charging down there. What do you think, guys? No, I'm filming you.
So I've done this in my second stern parking today, and it's very stressful. Yesterday we were a free sail day, and we kind of, came in, and there was this all-women boat, and it took 4 times to park, and you're just hanging back, and the wind's blowing you, and then like they finally parked it, and you're out of position, and I'm starting to reverse. These fucking Germans coming right round and steal my parking spot, right? Bit of a flappy sail there, but not bad.
You have to answer right. And then Starigrad after that, where I think some of you liked it so much you decided to stay an extra day. And then quite a lot of you went down to Biss on the day after.
Yeah.
Enjoyed the Blue Caves. Yeah. Some of you enjoyed the bar. Some of you sailed 45 miles.
Yeah.
He's a slave driver, that one. Hey, how much fun have you been for the week? Brilliant. You do need to get a little bit more stamina though. for manning up for Havar. I mean, come on.
Hey, I was keen.
Don't blame our boat.
Next time you come, we do the 2 week.
Yes.
Yes.
But whatever you go for me first, Maddie May.
Paddy May.
Three skippers on this boat.
Not one, not two.
3 skippers on this boat. And you've all done really well working together. No screaming at each other saying, do it this way. No, that's not the wrong way.
Well, you didn't do that.
You're doing great. So for you guys, I have the multi-skipper award. Which, so for having 3 skippers on the boat, you've done really well.
Thank you, Pete.